Kill switch is on anyway.
Never assume anything in traffic. Now that you've seen the crash, who do you think was at fault?
Yeah, man.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Good, because what? You didn't see me?
You came out of nowhere.
I saw you.
You came out of nowhere.
No, I didn't. I put my blinker on.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I'm sure I did. Did you see my blinker?
I'm stopping.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
My car's all right.
Your car's all right? I swear I think I see a blinker. I was slowing down too.
My car's got a little damage on it, but it's already got damage that was not caused today.
Well, I'm glad everyone's
It was a brutal crash, but somehow this biker walked away without any injuries.
Лежи, 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 лежи. Лежи, нет, лежи, лежи, брат, ляг, 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 ляг. Лежи, 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 нет, не говори. Не говори.
This rider got pulled over, but it turned out to be a wrongful stop.
Sir?
You need a registration. You need, oh,
It's 750 750 watts, pedals.
Oh, my bad, bro. I didn't see the pedals. My bad, my bad.
It's okay.
You got a helmet on, bro. I respect that. The lights look working great. My apologies for something.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, I didn't see the pedals.
It's okay. I was trying to stay far right too,
No,
so.
you looked great. I had no complaints about how you were riding. Okay.
Sweet. Thank you so much, officer.
My apologies. Okay.
It's okay. Have a great night.
What are you saying?
I said, Papa Willie,
You want to go with me?
you want me to come with you?
Yeah.
In my dress?
Yeah, yeah.
It's gonna get caught.
No, no, it's not. Though. Give me a spin. Hey, wow.
Thankfully this happened on a track, and the rider was fully geared up from head to toe.
Ja, det är cool. Vad säger man? Doktora, cześć.
Littering is for losers. This biker caught someone doing it and didn't let it slide.
Glad to see that blood trail is finally almost cleaned up. Hey, you dropped something! You dropped something! You dropped that. I don't know if you want to pick it back up. Yeah, you say that you dropped it. There you go.
A few moments later.
Oh, I want to talk. What'd you say? I can't hear you. Thumbs down my Let's see it, baby. I can't hear you. You got a problem? You got a problem?
The way you're driving. How about you take your out of here and drive normal?
You. Do I look drunk, mother? And next time you stop on me like that, I'll beat your.
You gotta.
Don't touch me. No, I got it all on camera, cuz. All on camera, mother. You didn't slam on the brakes? You didn't cut me off when I was trying to pull up to you? Dog, it's all on camera, cuz.
Drive is on camera. Get
Don't you piece of. What was this? Were you showing your size on my wheelies? Right, because I don't have a lot of room to run. I don't want to hit your STI. Yeah. You got a lot of talking that car, man. You got a lot of talking that car. You had a lot of talking that car.
hit somebody.
Hey, what's up? Hit me.
I said you're gonna hit somebody.
Oh, okay.
You know how to drive this thing. You probably just bought it too, didn't you?
You know how to drive it?
Oh yeah, I do. I actually got a Miller. Hey, you wanna know how to drive this one? Really all the way 235. Am I wrong?
What's up? Wheelie it. Wheelie it right now. Wheelie it right now.
Give me a camera and a helmet.
It's right here. There's a camera right on the front. Go ahead. Wheelie it. You break it, you bought it, mother. There's a camera right there on front. There's a camera right here. Go ahead and get it. Go ahead and get it, son. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, you're a dog. I don't drink. All right, I'm a type 1 diabetic and a disabled veteran. You. Hey, you're gonna be on YouTube next week. Check it out. Insulin junkie. Look it up, mother. Insulin junkie. Look it up.
Let's go.
Oh, right. Keep talking. You're making yourself look bad.
Come on.
Take it easy around blind corners. This is exactly why.
Oh mein Gott. Nein, Vorsicht. Oh mein Gott. Sorry, ich konnte auch nicht sprechen. Alles okay? Bist du getroffen?
Ja.
Nein, oh mein Gott. Ich war so im Schock mit Bremsen. Wo bist du gegen?
Ja, gegen
Da ist einer auch gestürzt. Ach du Kacke. Hast du dich verletzt?
Ja, mein Finger.
Nein, oh mein Gott. Alter, aber warum war denn hier Vollbremsung? Warum standen die da?
Oh. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Huh?
Sorry, man. They braked in front of me.
Oh, you're good.
What started as a normal ride turned into chaos. A road raging driver intentionally ran over this biker.
I'm gonna go catch him. Piece of shit. Put your window down. Put it down. Look at this. Put it down. Put it down. You. What the is wrong with you? What the? That's my leg, you you.
This one's unbelievable. It starts with a driver nearly killing a group of bikers and then intentionally hitting them and even slapping one of them.
रन्डीको छोरो पिकनिक घन्न हान्दै भयो रन्डीको बालले त पिकनिक खाते रन्डीको छोरो तपाईँ कति ओइ खोला हातले
Now that you've seen the entire clip, what are your thoughts on this one? You gotta love how the driver messed up, then started honking aggressively.
What are you doing? An idiot. Listen, mate. Hey, you just pulled into me.
Was this just a bad day for the officer, or was it bad policing?
I saw you coming down Cropsey before too, okay? You have your license and registration?
Yeah. Pull over?
No, just give me your information now. I saw you come down Cropsey, guy told you to make the left-hand turn, you made the right-hand turn, you made the U-turn right between all those cars.
No, I didn't.
And then you shoot it down. I'm telling you, I saw you before. Alright, the reason why you're being stopped now.
I went down sharp.
The reason why you're being stopped now. You
I got
stop sign?
Yeah, and I stopped. I stopped for
put
the
your
lady.
visor down.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Okay.
I stopped for the lady and I let her pass.
Sorry?
I stopped for the lady and let her pass.
You didn't stop at the stop sign.
I did. I got it on camera. I let the lady pass.
But your visor's up.
I didn't know you had to always keep it down. I just got off the highway.
Alright, listen. The reason why you're being stopped, your visor's up. Okay? Your visor's up, you gotta keep it down.
Alright. I didn't know that.
Equipment violation, I'll be right with you, okay?
A simple practice session went horribly wrong. This biker emerged safely in front of a driver, nowhere near a close call, but the driver still lost it.
Let's get off over here. We can just trunk them. Where's my pay? Yeah, go up here. Let's check the pay.
Jesus Christ!
This biker was about to make a turn, but this driver's mistake stopped it.
Use your eyes. Because you didn't look.
I did look, I didn't see you. You must have been an angle when I came out.
I was right in front of you.
Okay, that's all I can see.
That was way too close. This biker probably needed a new pair of pants after that near miss.
God dang. Y'all see that?
This biker got caught speeding. The officer saw it happen, but at that exact moment the biker's visor flew off.
Damn it. Thank you. Maybe like 60? I got a bigger sprocket, so it's like a few off until I can get a speedo healer. That's like $50.
You come through here quite a bit?
Yeah, I'm commuting to work every day.
Yeah, you're ripping. So
Okay.
just slow it down.
I
get it. I had a bike once, but just try to keep up.
Damn. Brand new visor. Thank you.
Imagine being so angry that you're ready to fight bikers for no reason. These bikers were pulled over for allegedly riding recklessly, even though they were simply standing on their bikes to stretch.
On state of North Carolina, operate a motor vehicle on the highway standing up, going back and forth. It's called careless, reckless endangerment of a motor vehicle, okay? You cannot stand on your bike, do what you were doing, weaving back and forth when operating a motor vehicle. Also that, okay? Everybody got motorcycle endorsements?
Yes,
Let me
sir.
see them real fast. I'll get you out of here with a warning. Don't be doing that, man. It's dangerous.
Sorry about that.
I can't hear you, sir.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I just got this bike so I don't have my endorsement.
You don't have endorsement?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're saying standing up.
One of those bikers later spent the entire night looking for the law they supposedly broke, and couldn't find one because it doesn't exist. Another biker gets pulled over for something they didn't do.
How you doing?
Reach for that gun, okay?
Yep.
Where are you coming from?
Fridays.
Fridays? Off where?
Battlefield.
Battlefield? Okay. The reason I stopped you right when you came by me was view of a motorcycle splitting traffic at the high-rise flying this way. It ain't the only bike I saw. Another thing, I was following you. This inspection you got on here, you got it right there?
Yep.
Okay. There's a couple places you can put it there.
What was that?
When we went by, I didn't see an inspection. Most people put them up there, but you got it right there? Okay. Just to let you know, I know you're recording this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? I don't want you flying through traffic.
Yeah, I was just trying to get over to the HOV.
Okay. Make sure you drive safe. We don't want any accidents, okay?
Yes, sir.
Take